Students, so this is my third video in the series of algebraic expressions. So learn math with fun @ NAAJ. Okay, so today we are discussing about degree of a polynomial. First of all, we will discuss definitions, and after that we will do some questions that we have studied earlier. Okay, so degree of the polynomial. Here we have monomial, that is 6x. We have binomial, that is 7x minus 2y, and trinomial, that is x plus 2y plus 1. Okay, as we have discussed in our last video that what is a monomial, that has only a single term, binomial means that has two terms, and trinomials means that has three terms in it. So we will check it out over here, that is what is the degree of this polynomial. So in this case we have x highest power is 1. And in this case we have x highest power is 1 and y highest power is 1, so its degree is 1. Similarly, in this case we have x highest power is 1 and y's highest power is 1 2, right? So the degree of these polynomials are 1 in each case. Now next example is we have a monomial a square, we have a binomial 2a square plus 3b, and we have a trinomial a square plus b square plus c square. In this monomial we have highest degree as 2. We have a raised to power 2. We have in this we have b raised to power 1, but we have to check out the highest degree, that is highest degree in this is 2, a raised to power 2. We have the highest degree as 2, and in this case we have 2 2 2, right? So we have the highest degree of the polynomial as 2 in each of the cases. Clear? Now next is we have discussed one more example, so you can understand it in a proper manner. So monomial, for example, we have 2a cube, we have binomial as 2a cube plus 3, and we have trinomial as a cube plus b square plus c. We have to check it out what was the highest degree in each case. So in the highest degree in this case is 3, and in second case the highest degree is 3, and in this case we have highest degree as 3. You can take many more examples of it, right? So now we will discuss the definition. Okay, so according to these examples that we have discussed here, so the definition of degree of polynomial is the term with the highest power, the term with highest power in a polynomial, determines the degree of the polynomial, that will determines the degree of the polynomial. When anyone asks from you that what is the degree of polynomial, you have to say the highest degree in that polynomial is the degree. Okay, degree of that polynomial, right? So we have to discuss one more example of it. For example, we have a raised to power 4, we have 2a b raised to power 2, and we have plus 4a square b c square. Okay, if we have a polynomial like this, that is a raised to power 4 minus 2 a b square plus 4 a square b c. So how can we find out the highest degree of this polynomial? So we will discuss it. First of all, in this we have the highest degree as 4. In this we have a degree, that is it has power 1 and it has power 2, so it will become 3. So it is less than 4, so this can't be the degree of that polynomial. So we will discuss next one. So here we have a raised to power 2, that is 2, and b raised to power 1 and c raised to power 2. So 2 plus 1, that is 3, and 3 plus 2, that is 5. So this would be the degree of the polynomial. So degree of this polynomial is 5. Degree of this polynomial is 5, that is a raised to power 4 minus 2 a b square plus 4 a square b c square. So degree of this polynomial is 5. Now we will discuss some examples regarding to that we have studied in our last video, right? So first of all if we have minus 3x plus 2y plus 1, now we have to identify what was the number of terms in this expression. Okay, so we have to identify how many terms are there in this expression. So we have first term, we have second term, we have third term. So we have 3 terms in the expression. We have to write down, we have 3 terms, and the terms are minus 3x, 2y and 1. So we have these 3 terms in this expression. Okay, now next is you have to identify what are the factors of this. So if we have 3y minus of 2 x square y square, you have to identify the factors of this. So first of all, we have factors of this as 3 and y, and the factors of this as 2 x, y and y. Here we have y, x raised to power 2 na? So that's why we have write down it as x into x, and here we have y raised to power 2, so we have to write down y into y. Okay, so I hope you will understand it. Now next is we have to identify the numerical coefficients. Okay, if we have to identify the coefficients of y in this expression, we have to identify the coefficient of y. So what will we do? We have 3yz minus xy plus xz. We have this as our term, that is 3yz minus xy plus xz. So we have to identify the coefficients of y, right, in this expression. So coefficients of y are, here we have the coefficients of y. First of all, we have to identify which terms are containing y. So this and this terms are containing y. So we have this term and this term as containing y's. So the coefficient of y in this term is 3z, and the coefficient of y in this term is minus of x. I hope you will understand this. Okay, so we will discuss one more term or example of it that we have discussed earlier, that is we have to classify monomial, binomial and trinomial. Now, okay, so you have to tell me which one is a monomial, which one is a binomial and which one is a trinomial. Okay, binomial and which one is a trinomial. Okay, so here we have x plus 1, here we have x plus 1. Next is, second is 5 upon 2. Third one is minus x plus 2 plus x y. Next one is AB plus BC plus CD. Next is we have 4xy square plus 2y square. Okay, so you have to tell me which one is a monomial, which one is a binomial and which one is a trinomial. We will discuss it in our next video, right? So you have to answer me in comments if you will understand monomial, binomial and trinomial. Thanks. If you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye bye.